Hey guys, it's me again. Same day, same outfit, different video. Okay, so this video is going to be my packing video of my Ophidia GG small shoulder bag. So now I know the name, haha. All right, I'm gonna grab my bag. Got it right here, and then I have the contents, which I'm gonna put in it over there. So I'm gonna scooch you over there. I'm gonna open the bag first. We'll come over here. All right, so the first things, I actually already have a few things in the small pocket, so I'm going to take them out, and then we're going to repack the bag, so you can repack it with me. I have some lipsticks, some fragrance, things like that. So now my bag is completely empty, kind of. There is a hair tie, but I probably need that anyway. So I'm going to tuck my bag right here. This is actually a Gucci Marmont wallet. That's what that looks like. And this one is actually pretend. So this one actually isn't real, and I just use it as like a cosmetics bag. As you can see, I literally cut whatever was in there. I think it was just like a little slit. So I was like, no, I need more space. So now I use it as my cosmetics pouch, and it works perfect. I love it, and I got it for like 14 bucks, and it looks really cute. And who's gonna know, pulling it out of my real Gucci bag, that that is fake, right? Okay. Next, I have my sunglass case. I should have my sunglasses, but you know what? Where are they? They're on my table, which is like, I'm being a naughty nana because I'm not supposed to have them out of their case. But we'll just pretend that I need to put my sunglasses in there. What else do I have? Hang on, I'm gonna take you over here with me. Okay, I had lipsticks. I always need a lip balm. So let's get the cosmetics pouch and my little Gucci Marmont. I don't even think they make it in this like shade of orange. So this is basically one of a kind. And I'm gonna throw, this is my favorite lip balm. If you guys have lips like me, my lips have no color. So like this is obviously lipstick. If I don't have lipstick on, my lips are like gray. So I like this one because it gives me a little bit of pink. Not too much pink to where I'm like, oh my God, my lips are, they look like I just ate a, no, actually I like when they look like I just ate a popsicle. This doesn't look like either one of those. I got off track. Anyway, it gives you a little bit of pink tint to your lips, and I love it. So it's the Glow Recipe Lip Pop, and it smells like watermelon. It's delicious. So it's going into the cosmetic case. It should fit. Let me see. Actually, I think I need to clear this out and not have this in here. I don't even use this. I'm not a huge fan of this, by the way. Okay. So there's that. We're putting the chapstick in, and then we're taking the Dior little contour palette out of there. Then I have my Spritzy Dolce & Gabbana Garden. Smells so good. Kind of coconutty, kind of sweet. I really love those kind of scents. And then I also have, what's this? A ring in my purse. I'm just going to put that on for now. I have my hand cream, which I always need, so I'm going to put that in the side pocket. I put the perfume in the side pocket and then also the hand cream in the side pocket. I have my little cosmetic pouch in here with my sunglasses. I'm going to put them kind of like upright in the corner here. I'm going to do that. And then my wallet. Where is she? She's over here. Let's go grab her. Wallet in, and then I have space for anything else that I might need to toss in. So it really is a spacious bag. I have two tiny bags in there, one huge sunglass case, and then I have my little goodies in my pouch. So that's really all I need. I'll probably just like toss my keys on top. I have an extra bag for Luna, which is my daughter. If you haven't checked out my channel, check it out. I think she makes an appearance in some of my older videos. She is older now, but yeah, I have an extra bag in the car for her. That's what I was going to say. So I don't really carry much in my bags for her any longer, but this is it. This is what she looks like packed up as well. I want to show you guys. I'll kind of move away from the camera, and this is what she looks like packed. Very cute, not too like puffy. She doesn't stick out too much. I feel like it's perfect. Perfect, perfect. So yeah, thank you guys for helping me pack up my bag. I'm absolutely obsessed with her. She's so beautiful. And again, if you guys are on the fence about this Ophidia line or range, whatever you want to call it, at Gucci right now, go check it out because it's beautiful. You need to see it in person to really, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.